everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for a furniture manufacturer business. If you are a furniture manufacturer, then responding to queries about product specification, delivery updates and placing orders can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will place orders automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for furniture manufacturer business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I've sent a general message like hi, and our chatbot responds with welcome to Oakline Furniture Manufacturer. We help dealers with orders, product specifications and delivery updates right here on WhatsApp. Choose an option to get started. And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says product details. And our chatbot immediately responds with all the product specifications. So next I'm going to select the option to place the order. And our chatbot provides us with a link to fill a quick form. And it has provided us a clickable form link. Lastly, I'm going to click on track delivery, and our chatbot responds us with a clickable delivery link as well. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for furniture manufacturer business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled, so I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Furniture Manufacturer. On the screen, there is a Flow Start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and with the help of a specific pattern, we can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex, and from here we can choose any template to send to the user. Now we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Now with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. And now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. So let's begin with product details. And for this, I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the product specifications like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Now I'm going to curate a response for second option that says place an order, and for this I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add links to place the order like this, and here we have provided a form to place the order. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for track delivery, and for this I'm going to access text button again, and here I'm going to provide a tracking link to place the order like this. And this is how it will appear to the user. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for furniture manufacturer business. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you have created your flow, you can save it from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.